Well, so far, snowfall amounts have been light. We've accumulated about an inch of snow in some communities. Others have barely a coating on grassy surfaces. And at this moment, the snow has eased up in many communities. You can see here over Rhode Island and southeastern Mass, where it's mostly just some light snow, especially as you travel further away from the coastline. The snow is still coming down at a decent clip over parts of Buzzards Bay out towards southern Plymouth County and the Cape. And the snow is expected to fill back in as we head into the afternoon hours. You can see more snow over Connecticut now, Long Island and New Jersey. So we're not done yet. It'll fall at varying intensities over the course of the afternoon hours and into early this evening. These are some of the snowfall reports we've received so far. About 1.5 inches of snow reported in Sandwich, Mass, Gloucester, Rhode Island with about 1 inch, South Kingstown near 1 inch, New Bedford at about 1 inch, Taunton at about just over 1/2 inch. The National Weather Service office there, and Providence has seen about a coating so far. Now the temperatures have stayed right around the freezing mark, even a couple of degrees warmer than that, and that's why the snow has been falling but has had a tough time sticking on the roadways, which is good. So the impact here in winds low, school impacts fairly low. We've had a few cancellations of after-school activities, and that's about it so far. Roadway impacts will be medium. I think we're going to have mostly wet roadways, but we'll need to treat them late day as the temperatures start to drop below freezing. Black ice is going to be a concern. Our city cam over Providence right now. You can see the visibility up in Providence as the snow has temporarily eased up. About 33 degrees with calm winds. Widening out the view on the satellite and the radar composite. I want to show you where the back edge of the snowfall is, and this is over the last 4 hours. You can still see snow still in through eastern Pennsylvania and the eastern half of New York State, coming up from New Jersey too. So again, I do expect more snow into this afternoon. It'll be winding down by around the time of the evening commute, and those temperatures again will start to fall. Let's take you through the rest of the afternoon. Now this is at 1 o'clock. So notice where you see the darker blues, and it is focused along our coastline. That has the highest chance of seeing those 2 and 3 inch snowfall totals at this point. At 5 o'clock this evening, we're looking at the snow starting to wind down. It'll happen west to east across the area with clearing skies fairly quickly this evening, and then overnight tonight again the temperatures really tumble, so we are going to wake up to some black ice tomorrow morning, but it should be clear skies. Those clear skies will give way to a few clouds as we head into the afternoon and evening, but a dry day finally on Wednesday. For the rest of today, temperatures continue to hover around 32 degrees. The snow continues tapering late day down to 22 overnight tonight. Clearing skies, that black ice a concern, and then tomorrow's high only making it to around the freezing mark, turning partly sunny, chilly, dry, and a little more breezy tomorrow. West winds at 10 to 15 miles an hour. So trimmed down the snowfall futurecast just a little bit. 1 to 3 inches of snowfall. I think 1 to 2 mostly on grassy surfaces, car tops, shrubs will be a good bet. Still could see some isolated 4-inch totals, and that I think would be more of an issue closer to the coastline where you've been seeing those heavier bands of snow. So tomorrow's high, again, low 30s. We're going to be in the 20s for highs and teens overnight for Thursday and Friday. Saturday, tracking our next weather disturbance, one that could bring a wintry mix of snow, sleet, and rain to our area that may last into Saturday and part of Sunday.
All right, busy weather pattern. Thanks, Michelle. Now we'll look at what we're working on tonight for Eyewitness.